So now we're going to show you how to do hamstring stretches. Hamstrings are the muscles that are from your back of your knee and they go right behind your hip area. And in order to stretch that, you need to find a picnic table, a chair, a car bumper, a tree stump, anything that's to about 1.5 to 2 feet off the ground. And you're going to have your 2 feet parallel to each other or slightly in-toed. And then you're going to take the leg that you're going to stretch and put it up on the chair. And you're going to take that stretching leg, point the foot inward, and then you're going to bend over and only rotate at your hips. You're going to lean over, and you should feel a stretch somewhere between your knee and behind your hip. And you're going to hold that for 10 seconds and come up momentarily. Then you're going to lean down and stretch it again for 10 seconds. And you repeat that 10 times. And then you do the same thing on the opposite leg. Start out with your feet parallel. Have your upper foot turned inward. Lean over. Feel the stretch behind your thigh. 10 seconds. Come back up. Repeat 10 times. And you're going to do this 3 times a day. That's your hamstring stretch.